सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 7 का सेमेस्टर 2 इंग्लिश फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज यूनिट 2 हाउ थिंग्स वर्क्स, इसके सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे वर्कबुक के। तो एक्टिविटी 2 है, लेसन का नाम है हाउ थिंग्स वर्क। एक्टिविटी 2 देखते हैं, पेज नंबर 18। हाउ डज इट डू दैट, पार्ट 1। ठीक है, तो हैव यू एवर वंडर हाउ अ मिरर वर्क्स, क्वेश्चन मार्क्स। Why does it look like you are inside the mirror when you are not? Why does it look backward? How can the mirror make something look bigger? आज का ये वीडियो रिक्वेस्टेड वीडियो है। तो हमारे सब्सक्राइबर का नाम है फर्स्ट नैतिक, उसके बाद सेकंड है मनोज यादव, और उसके बाद है नंदिनी पाटिल। ठीक है, तो इन्होंने रिक्वेस्ट की है कि चैप्टर नंबर 2 का आप वीडियो अपलोड कीजिए। ठीक है, तो उनके रिक्वेस्ट के मोड पे मैंने ये वीडियो आज मैंने डाला है। ठीक है, तो थैंक्स फॉर कमेंट मी। ठीक है, ऐसे ही कमेंट करिए और मैं ऐसे ही आपके नाम चैनल के ऊपर बताऊंगी। ठीक है, तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। एक्टिविटी 2 है हाउ डज इट डू दैट। तो ये पैराग्राफ है, डायरेक्ट इसका आंसर्स देख लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन है हाउ कैन दिस मेक द थिंग्स लुक बिगर देन दे आर। द आंसर इज द साइड मिरर ऑन अ कार इज अ टिपिकली a convex mirror. A convex mirror gives an upright though diminished image. Also it provides a wider field of view as it is curved outside. The image on a convex mirror is always virtual, diminished, smaller and erect. As the object gets closer to the mirror, the image gets larger until reaching approximately the size of the object when it touches the mirror. एक्टिविटी 3 है, इसमें डायरेक्ट हम क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। लेट्स राइट अ न्यू आर्टिकल्स अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। लिस्ट 4 थिंग्स दैट डिपेंड ऑन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। द आंसर इज फर्स्ट microwave oven, second refrigerator, third television and washing machine. Next question, write 4 questions like the one in the article about the 4 things you listed. In first point देख लेते हैं, what is the difference between microwave oven and ordinary oven? Second, how does the cooling system work in a refrigerator? Third, what is the difference among LCD TV, LED TV and plasma TV? Fourth, how does a washing machine operate? ठीक है, पेज नंबर 19, एक्टिविटी 4, रीड द फॉलोइंग टेक्स्ट केयरफुली एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस गिवन बिलो देम। ठीक है, तो ये फर्स्ट पैरा है, इसके डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस देख लेते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हेन कैन वी सी थिंग्स। द आंसर इज वी कैन सी थिंग्स ओनली व्हेन द लाइट फॉलिंग ऑन देम रिफ्लेक्ट and enter our eyes. एक्टिविटी 4 का क्वेश्चन 2 है which self light emanating things are mentioned here. The answer is here stars and fireflies are mentioned which emanate light themselves. Question 3 है when are things seen by us. The answer is when the photons of light hits things and bounce back to our eyes, things are seen. पैराग्राफ 2 है, इसके डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस देख लेते हैं। पेज नंबर 20। पेज नंबर 20, क्वेश्चन 1, what happened to the light photons if they hit a hard and smooth things? The answer is if the light photons hit hard and smooth things, all of them bounce back and enter our eyes and we see the things just like the plane surface. Question 2 है what happened to the light photons when they bounce back from a soft but not smooth surface? The answer is when the light photons bounce back from a soft and not smooth surface, they bounce back at different angles. When they enter our eyes, we can see the shape of the things they bounced from. Question 3. What is it that we see? The answer is everything we see is really just bouncing photon showing us the shape of the things they hit. Question 2. Select the most appropriate option as answer and write the letter in the box provided against the question. First, introduction in side mirror object in the mirror are dash then they appear. The answer is C, closer. Second, dash make things look bigger than they are. The answer is D, all of the above. Third, the mirror in a car looks dash. The answer is B, backward. Fourth, we can see things only when there is dash. The answer is C, light. Fifth, dash have their own light. The answer is D, both A and C. Page number 21, 6 point. We see things because they dash light. The answer is A, reflect. 7. The tiny parts of which light is made are called dash. The answer is A, photon. 8. We see things when dash. The answer is C, B, photons of light hits things and bounce back. 9 point. When do all the photons of light bounce back? The answer is C, when they hit a hard and smooth surface. 10. Fewer of the photons bounce back at different angle. The answer is C, when they hit some soft and rough surface. 11. When fewer of the photons of light bounce back, we can see only the dash of the things. The answer is A, shape. Question 3, page number 21. Pick tick marks in the box against the following statement if they are true or cross mark if they are false. First, even if there is no light, we can see things. The answer is false. Most things in the world do not emanate light. The answer is true. Third, we see object because they reflect light. The answer is true. Fourth, the smallest unit of light is called photon. The answer is true. Fifth, the photons of light makes things emanate light. The answer is false. Sixth, the photons of light hits things and bounce back. The answer is true. Seventh, all of the light photons bounce back from a soft, rough surface. The answer is false. 8. From hard, smooth surface, the photons of light turn at different angle. The answer is false. 9. When the bouncing photon enter our eyes, we can see the shape of the things they bounce from. The answer is true. Everything we see is nothing but bouncing photons showing us the shape of the things they hit. The answer is true. पेज नंबर 22, एक्टिविटी 5. तो ये पैराग्राफ है, डायरेक्ट हम क्वेश्चंस देख लेते हैं. क्वेश्चन 1, व्हाट इज विजिबल लाइट? द आंसर इज visible light is electromagnetic radiation that is visible to human eyes and is responsible for sight. Activity 5 का क्वेश्चन 2 है, what is the visible range of light? The answer is visible light has a wavelength in the range of about 380 nanometers or 380 into 10 root 9 meter to about 740 nanometer. एक्टिविटी 5 का थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट स्लॉट ऑफ रेंज ऑफ रेडिएशन इज विजिबल लाइट और वेयर डज द स्लॉट ऑफ रेंज ऑफ रेडिएशन ऑफ विजिबल light occur? The answer is visible light range slot occurs between the visible infrared with longer wavelengths and the visible ultraviolet with shorter wavelength. Page number 23 क्वेश्चन 4 एक्टिविटी 5 का क्वेश्चन 4 है, what are the primary properties of visible light? The answer is the primary property of visible light are intensity, propagation direction, frequency or wavelength, spectrum and polarization. Activity 5 का क्वेश्चन 5 है, what is speed of light in vacuum? The answer is the speed of light in vacuum is 299,792,458 meters per second. Activity 5 का क्वेश्चन 6 है, what are photons? The answer is in common with all types of EMR, visible light is emitted and observed in tiny packets. These packets are called photon. Question activity 5 का क्वेश्चन 7 है, what are the properties of photon? The answer is the properties of photons are waves and particles. Activity 5 का क्वेश्चन 8 है, what is the properties of photons known referred to as? The answer is the properties of photons is known referred to as wave particle duality. Activity 5 का 9 क्वेश्चन है, what is the study of light known as? The answer is the study of light is known as optics. Activity 5 का 10 क्वेश्चन है, what is the primary source of light on the earth? The answer is the primary source of light on the earth is sun. Question 2, how do you think does electricity work? The answer is the electricity is the set of physical phenomena associated with the presence and flow of electric charge. Electricity gives a wide variety of well-known effects such as lightning, static electricity, electromagnetic induction and the flow of electric current. In addition, electricity permits the creation and reception of electromagnetic radiation such as radio waves. एक्टिविटी 6 है, पेज नंबर 24 एक्टिविटी 6, लुक एट द पिक्चर ऑफ द ड्रॉप ऑफ वाटर. ठीक है, तो ये डायरेक्ट पैराग्राफ है, क्वेश्चन है इसका डायरेक्ट हम लुक एट द पिक्चर ऑफ द ड्रॉप ऑफ वाटर, वर्क विथ अ ग्रुप और पार्टनर टू यूज द इंफॉर्मेशन इन हाउ डज इट डू दैट. Do explain why the cloth under the drop look bigger than the cloth text to the drop. When you and your group agree on a clear explanation for how the drop makes the cloth look bigger, write your explanation in your own words. ठीक है, तो इसका आंसर है the drop of water on the cloth should have magnified the area that it has covered. This happened because the drop had a curved upper surface and the flat bottom was transparent. The larger drops cannot magnify as much because there was not as much of curve in the larger drops. Although the smaller drops magnify more, there was less area that could be seen. Activity 7 है, usually umbrellas keep people dry but a little girl in Japan invented. Page number 25. An umbrella that spray water on the person who carries it. She wanted an umbrella to help people stay cool in very hot weather. People who work outside in the sun, like the little girl's idea, and buy her raining misting umbrella. Question है, the raining umbrella was invented to solve problem. What was the problem? The answer is, when there is extreme heat, people face problems ranging from heat stroke, heat exhaustion, and other types of heat illness. These are common occurrence in hot weather. To solve this problem, we have to save ourselves from direct heat of the sun. Any umbrella will serve the purpose, but the misting umbrella will spray cold water, so we will feel quite comfortable in the severe heat. Severe heat. Activity 8. Think about the things that the raining umbrella does. Think about all the parts that raining umbrella must have to work. How many parts do you think it need? How would the parts be connected? Draw a design showing the raining umbrella. Label your drawing with all the parts it need and write a few sentences to explain how it works. The answer is, everyone know what a danger extreme heat can be, with a problem ranging from heat stroke, heat exhaustion, and other types of heat illness, as they are common occurrence in hot weather. It is common to see people using an umbrella to provide shade or carrying a standard spray water bottle to provide a cooling mist. While both methods are effective, having to carry various items around can be difficult and inconvenient. Inventor Kato has created a way to combine the cooling shade of umbrella and the cooling mist of a spray water bottle into one simple device. This clever new invention work like a standard umbrella to protect user from heat. तो ये इसका आंसर होगा. पेज नंबर 26. एक्टिविटी 9. Do you know anyone who has invented something on his her own? Write 10 sentences about him, her, and about his her invention. The answer is, Jenny Law of Houston, Texas recently entered high school, but she created her best known invention, the Kittle stool, while she was still in kindergarten. At that time, Jenny was using a plastic step stool in order to reach the bathroom sink, but step stools were inconvenient, unstable, and breakable, and cluttered up the room. Hearing about an invention contest at her school, Jenny resolved to make a stool that would be permanent but inconspicuous fixture in the bathroom. Activity 10. Read the following quotation. ठीक है, तो ये कोटेशन है. तो यहाँ पे लिखा है, चूज अ कोट what you think is interested and explain what it means. The answer is, I think the third quote is the most interesting. We have many ideas every now and then. Some of them are good, some of them are realistic, some other are fantastic, but sometimes fantastic ideas could be converted into realistic ones if we have an ideas and we brood over it for a longer time. Logically, it may turn into reality if we follow it logically and make efforts to materialize it. There are many chances that it may turn into reality, and thus a fantastic idea converted into reality is nothing but invention. So this quote means that we should follow the idea till it is done right, that is it materialistic. Writing a draft or report about your visit a science city Ahmedabad. Write in detail about the section which interested you a lot. Science city The answer is Science City, Ahmedabad. Yesterday I have visited Science City, which is located at Ahmedabad in Gujarat, which is very big and well established institute. There were science fair of school and a huge dome for 3D movie. We reached there by bus, and when we saw the entrance of the Science City, we were on cloud 9. We just felt like we have become junior scientists. There were so many words like ancient, middle and latest model. When we reached there, Dr. Batra come to receive us and welcome us very warmly. Then we were given breakfast. Question 2. Think about any object or mechanical device, name it and write in about 10 sentences how it works. The answer is the law of machines governs every device that makes some movement. Even our arms and legs move following the rules of mechanics. Let us take the example of a car. It is a mechanical device that touches on the wheel due to the force produced by the engine to move the piston. The engine in the car need fuel और एनर्जी टू रन ऑन द रोड. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर पूरा कवर होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ मिलते हैं. अगर वीडियो पसंद आता है तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल. ठीक है, टेक केयर, बाय.